Asante, tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. Viongozi wetu wanaposalimiana kwa mkoano, ishara ya kwamba sisi tuko kimoja kama ODM. Sema Sema ODM. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much, our party leader. Sasa tunamkaribisha chairman wetu. Baada ya hotuba hiyo nzuri kutoka kwa party leader yetu, chairman wetu anakuja kutuhatimishia kongamano hili, kisha tutakuwa na wimbo wa taifa kutoka kwa Kayamba.
Thank you very much. As party leader takes back his seat, I just want to make a quick announcement. Before I close the National Governing Council meeting, I want to announce that we will have lunch served. There are 3 serving points. There is 1 serving point where we'll have the party leader with the national officials and the Council of Governors together with their deputies. We'll have another serving point for members of parliament, speakers of county assemblies and the minority and majority leaders, and then other delegates will be at the 3rd serving point. We will have our officers or officials directing you to where you should be seated. It is well organized. We hope we will maintain order. Party leader and distinguished delegates, allow me to officially give notice to adjourn the meeting of the National Governing Council. In accordance with the Article 49, Sub-Article 2, as read together with Article 50 of the Orange Democratic Movement Party Constitution, and considering the obligations of the Office of the National Chairperson, as set out under Article 18 of the ODM Party Constitution, notice is hereby given to formally adjourn the meeting of the National Governing Council, Sinadai, this Thursday, 18th April 2024, at Bomas of Kenya, Nairobi City County. Thank you very much. And so the National Governing Council of 2024 is officially